Larval therapy is a prescribed debridement treatment that is used to clean chronic, infected and hard to heal wounds. Larval therapy has been used around the world for thousands of years and has been used regularly in wound care since the 1990s. Larval therapy uses the larvae of the common green bottle fly, Lucilia sericata, which is safe to use on humans because the larvae only remove dead tissue and bacteria. The larvae produce liquid secretions which break down the non-viable wound tissue that is delaying healing, like slough and necrosis. Disinfected fly eggs hatch into larvae and we place them in a secure tea bag-like dressing called a biobag, which is placed onto the wound like a regular dressing. The larvae remain on the wound for up to 4 days. If debridement isn't complete, further treatments can be applied. The larvae, which are only 4 mm in length on application, do not have teeth, do not bite and cannot chew. During the treatment, the larvae simply focus on cleaning the wound. Only adult flies can lay eggs, so the larvae cannot reproduce or multiply while in the dressing on the wound. BioMonde is a leading multinational wound care company specialising in the manufacture and distribution of larval therapy, also known as maggot therapy. At BioMonde, we house upwards of 30,000 green bottle flies at any time so that we can maintain a steady supply of fly eggs. Our state-of-the-art pharmaceutical production units in the UK and Germany, together with our commitment to research, development and education, make BioMonde the first choice in wound debridement. At BioMonde, we are here for you every step of the way to make sure that this unique treatment delivers a successful result.